Rich in oil and gas, ambitious real estate and infrastructure projects, the affluent United Arab Emirates is a haven for Filipino workers. No wonder the Middle Eastern country is a top choice for Filipinos to work abroad. Among them, Lay Santos, a restaurant manager. Lay has been working in Dubai for 16 years now, and she admits it's never easy.
Kasi sa isang flat, maghahati-hati kayo ng bayad.
So kaya kurtina na lang yung hati nyo, partition nyo.
Ito na ang aming common ko sa kami kakain. Ito ang aming munting kusina. Ito yung aking kusan ako nakahiga. 6 kami.
Okay.
Tigda dalawa.
This small room costs 3,500 dirhams or more than 47,000 pesos. Lay says it's almost equivalent to an OFW's average monthly salary here. Like most OFWs, she sends half of her salary to her family in the Philippines. She saves up specially for Christmas gifts for her 3 children, which she sends through a balikbayan box.
Bago dumating ang December, ako nag-iipon na ako. Minsan nga 6 na buwan pa eh.
One by one, she fills up the box with requests from her children.
2 buwan ko siya talagang pinag-ipunan na sweldo ko. Para lang mabili itong 2 sapatos pa ito. Para sa kanilang 2 lalaki. Ito rin, basketball na bola para sa...
Pati bola?
Tapos yung lalaki kong, babae kong anak, siya hindi din siya...
Wow, maganda rin.
May sapatos din siya. Tapos, panlaba.
Ang laki naman ito. Kailangan ba dala pa ito sa Pilipinas?
Opo, kailangan na. Kasi medyo mahal din na.
Mahal din sa Pilipinas. The last time Lay went home for Christmas was in 2010. After that, only balikbayan boxes made their way to her children in Cavite every year.
Ang balikbayan box para sa akin symbol ng ito na yung pinagpaguran ko. Ito na yung naipon ko para sa pamilya ko. Yung makikita ko yung nai-imagine ko sa isip nila kung paano nila buksan. Ay, binili ito para sa akin. Ay, para ito sa akin, binili ni Mami. Yung ganong senaryo. Nakakalungkot. Kasi, andyan ang box, wala ka.
It will take 35 days before this balikbayan box arrives in the country. At Lay's home in Cavite, the children are already excited.
Kuya Santa na.
Merry Christmas po. Thank you rin po sa mga gifts.
Pasensya nga, maraming pasko na wala na.
But the children say they understand all too well why they'd have to make do with a balikbayan box from Dubai for now.
Naramdaman ko po din pagmamahal niya. Tapos, kasi po yung pera pong ginamit niya doon, pinagsikapan po niya yan.
Lay is among more than 300,000 OFWs in Dubai. There's always a kabayan, from the skyscrapers to the biggest mall to the widest desert and most expensive hotels and resorts. With the emergence of oil-rich Gulf states in the 1970s, there was an increased demand for workers. The Philippine government then created agencies and policies to encourage Filipinos to work abroad. Since then, the Middle East remains the top destination of more than 2 million overseas Filipino workers. In Quezon City, Paula Elmido says her family has learned to cope with absent parents who regularly send balikbayan boxes. She makes sure her parents are online via FaceTime to be able to see her kids opening the boxes. Paula's parents have been working at a food factory in Washington, D.C. since 1998.
Sa tagal ng panahon pinag-iipunan, nakikita namin yung tuwa nila pag nakakatanggap sila ng ganyan. Parang nawawala yung pagod namin.
At the port area in Manila, workers at this warehouse are on 24/7 shifts to sort out the boxes and deliver these to their recipients. But the contents of each box are not easily quantifiable. For an overseas Filipino worker, the sacrifices, hard work, and love for family are worth it all when packed in a box and received with excitement back home.
Thank you, Mama Beth.
Ruth Cabal, CNN Philippines.